Hello everyone. I hope you all are safe in your home. So today we will read about the chapter 2, that is we evidences in history. So let's get started this chapter. History is the true story of the past. It is true because there are proofs to show that people lived a long time ago. These proofs are collected by archaeologists and studied by historians. So, sources are the most important finding about history. Let us read about them. Students, you have some pictures in your book. So you have to observe these pictures and you have to find out differences between the modern toys and you have to observe in the picture 2 this is the toys of ancient time. So you look both the pictures and observe what is the difference between these pictures. So now we will read about the sources of history, how we know about the histories and how we know about the proofs of. So sources of history. The sources of history are the different remains of the past that archaeologists finding during their treasure hunt. So remains in the form of monuments, inscriptions, artifacts, coins or literature are called the sources of history. These sources are like clues. Archaeologists dig out these sources, study them and write about in the correct order. So sources are the sources? So, monuments, inscriptions, artifacts, coins or literature are the sources of history. And about these sources, how we know, who tells us? Archaeologists dig out these sources, study and they tell us about the fact about the history. So now we will read about the archaeological sources. Archaeological sources are direct evidence. They are of four types. There are of four types, that are monuments, inscriptions, artifacts and coins. So monuments are buildings and structure of historical importance. They were constructed in the past. They give a lot of knowledge about the lives of people who lived at that time. The building show the architectural designs, religion, social life and politics during those times. The popular monuments that we come across are temples, victory forts, palaces, monasteries and gateways. So here some written about some important temples and buildings, some important buildings. The Taj Mahal, the Red Fort and the Qutub Minar. So, Taj Mahal was built by Emperor Shah Jahan. It is located in Agra on the bank of river Yamuna. The Taj Mahal is a symbol of love, beauty and perfection. Next, the Red Fort or Lal Killa. It is in Delhi. It was built by Emperor Shah Jahan. The Red Fort is built of red stone, so it is called Red Fort. So next, the Qutub Minar. The construction of the Qutub Minar was started by Qutbuddin Aibak. Due to his early death, it was completed by his successor Iltutmish. The Qutub Minar is the tallest stone tower in India. So next we will read about the inscriptions. Inscriptions are like text messages. In this day we use to convey our ideas, to convey our through the text message. And so inscriptions are form of text message in the past. In those days, messages were engraved on the rocks of palaces, walls of temples, metal pillars and tablets. king had people working in their courts who would jot down facts about events like wars, victories, or policies in the form of inscriptions. Emperor Asoka of the Maurya dynasty got inscription engraved on pillars, cave walls, and rocks for people to read. So now you have multiple choice questions. Number A. These are the form of monuments, inscriptions, and artifacts that are sources. So now number 2. These are buildings and structures of historical importance, that is monuments. Third one, write T for true and F for false statements. History is the true story of the present. It will be false because history is the true story of the past. Sources are the most important finding about history. True. Archaeological sources are direct evidences. Yes, it is true. Inscriptions are building and structure of historical importance. No, it is false. So monuments are buildings and structure of historical importance. Now this is today I discussed about monuments and monuments and inscriptions. In the next video I will discuss about the artifacts, coins, and literary sources. So bye bye everyone. So take care and be safe in your home. Bye everyone.